Hi everyone, back with a different type of a keto treat recipe. This is a slideshow. I'm so busy this week, but still wanted to offer a keto treat for you guys. It's a salty treat. It's bacon cauliflower popcorn, and here's what you will need. You'll need a head of cauliflower, bacon bits, organic coconut oil, Parmesan cheese, pink salt and pepper. For hot spice, you'll need cayenne and red crush, or if you don't like it spicy, then you'll use a smoked paprika, a cookie sheet, a bowl, a spoon for mixing, a knife, a 1 cupper, a half cupper, and a 1/4 cupper. Preheat the oven to 350, and while that's heating, let's cut up our cauliflower. You'll need 2 cups of it, or more if you're going to make more. Make sure you take most of the stems off so it looks more like popcorn. And there it is in a bowl. I did 2 cups. And then add over a half cup of the real bacon bits. Add heavily pink salt, pepper, and cayenne and red crush to taste, or the smoky paprika. Let's take a 1/4 cup of coconut oil and pop it in the microwave for like 20 seconds to melt it down, and pour that over your mixture. And also add a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Then we're going to mix this really well. Once it's all mixed up, you're going to lay it out on a cookie sheet. Spread it all out really evenly, and then pop it into your oven, and we're going to cook this for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you'll see them. They're looking good, but we want to get them a little bit more crispier, so now you're going to turn on your broiler on high, and we're going to broil these for 2 minutes, but watch them, you guys. They'll burn quick. Then pull them out, and they're all ready to go. Look at those. Yum. These were absolutely delicious, and that recipe there was 2 cups. It was 5 net carbs. Try serving things like this for your children instead of real popcorn or real treats. Much better option. It gets them to eat their veggies. But yeah, these were delicious. And I'll also show you my one meal of the day. It was 3 pieces of the Quest pizza, an avocado, that cauliflower mixture I made, a yogurt with nuts and strawberries and whipped cream, a tea with MCT oil, and one of those clear American waters. Delicious, you guys. I love my one meal a day. Always keep it keto.